Welcome back to the channel, guys. Rahul here. Sorry about the messy hair, I just woke up. We're here at Home Depot because I decided to grab a steam cleaner and some soap and of course some flowers for the wifey. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my camera here and show you what I got. All right, so that's what I got right there. It's a nice little carpet cleaner, handheld, 32 bucks for 24 hours at Home Depot. Figured it was a lot cheaper doing it this way than spend 150 bucks on one for myself to purchase, if that makes any sense. Then we got our flowers for the wifey and some carpet cleaner. All right, well, I'll catch you guys back in the shop later. I am back in the shop. So we're gonna get back onto the Subaru today. I'm going to get it all opened up. We're gonna get it aired out, and then we're gonna go ahead and start wet vacuuming the carpets. After the carpets, we're gonna head on to the seats and all the interior components. And then once all of that is completed, we can go ahead and move on to getting the driver's side seat mounts retapped and threaded so that we can go ahead and put the interior back in and get this car back on the road. So I'll go ahead and get set up and I'll bring you guys back. All right, so as you guys remember, we had put a chlorine bomb inside the vehicle. So right now, this sticker is on here to prevent anyone from going in. Now that we're complete, we can go ahead and remove this guy along with these directions. Actually, we'll go ahead and read real quick. After processing time is over, carefully remove from area, fill container with water to the fill line, and pour contents down the drain. Container is now safe to dispose. So what we're going to do to neutralize the chlorine gas and that chemical reaction that's currently taking place is we are going to go ahead and fill the container with water to the fill line. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go ahead and run over to the front of the house and we're going to grab some water. So be right back. All right, we got our bucket. Now off we go to the water. Okay, here we are. A little funky spigot, I know. Don't judge me. It's a rental. All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn that on. I'm gonna grab some water into here, rinse out that bucket, and then come back, fill her up. I reckon that's enough. All right, go ahead and set that aside, close that water down, and head back to the shop. All right, so let's go ahead and come over here. Gonna go ahead and we got our bucket of water right there. Gonna go ahead and enter on in. Take a deep breath and hold it. All right, we got it filled up. Go ahead and pour a little more. And we are good to dispose. All right, go ahead and get rid of this and I'll be right back. Down the drain it goes. Into the trash it goes. Let's go ahead and pop into the good old Tundra. Grab this bad boy. This is a rental wet vac from Home Depot. All right, get this out of the truck, close the door, and off we go. Okay, so with our wet vac, we're gonna be using this Rug Doctor deep carpet cleaner. The chlorine has hopefully killed what's in the vehicle. Let's go ahead and see what we see. I'm gonna go over to this side, and then I'll go ahead and pop the door open, move that light that way. All right, so certainly smells like chlorine, tell you that. So we can see here the mold has died, I believe, which is really good news for us. This mold was a different color when it was alive, like a whitish blue, and now it appears to purely be dead. Same with over there. That appears to be dead. That piece right there was a piece of food. Let me go to the other side, actually. And back when it was still clean, we noticed that the color was a different color. Now, it's a different color altogether. So that's good. That's really good. It means that the mold in the vehicle is dead. So what are we gonna do first? First, we're gonna go ahead and vacuum and clean out the back end. We're gonna detach those seat belts and we're gonna wipe everything down as good as we can. And then we'll move on to shampooing the actual carpets. All right, see you guys in a sec. Okay. What's up, guys? So we're gonna go ahead and clean all this up, get it wiped down, and show you guys the results. So we're going to plug in the vacuum cleaner and get right into it. Okay, here we go. Oh. Alright, got a giant bag, microfibers, some disinfectant. Let's get to it. right, so we've got the front floors and the rear floors all complete. So that's all been cleaned. Now all we got left to do are the seats and all the interior trim carpets. So let me show you what we're gonna be doing next. So here and right over there, we've got our driver and passenger seats. And then we've got this trim right here as well, this carpet on those. And then we gotta do these seats and that big panel. I don't know what that puddle of mystery fluid is, but it's coming from that black panel. So yeah, we'll get cleaning and we'll find out. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's really storming outside right now. All right, well, we'll get right into it then. Gonna be a little untraditional ending to the video. Unfortunately, as I was recording, my phone ran out of storage, and so because of that, I wasn't able to get any more content, at least from this part. So next video coming up, there'll be a lot more to come. It'll be a lot more of the reassembly after it all got cleaned up. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe if you'd be so kind, and hope you guys are gonna be around for the next one. In the meantime, be safe, be well. Cheers.